I found a YouTube Shorts niche where creators are getting millions and millions of views with very low competition. I'm talking about simple quiz-style shorts. There are 2 channels I analyzed, and every single video is pulling insane numbers. 11 million views, 8.9 million, 7.1 million, 6.2 million, 4.1 million, 3.8 million, and it just keeps going. And before you think this must be complicated or require a big team, it doesn't. These are extremely simple quiz videos. No crazy editing, no advanced production, no expensive setup. Just straightforward, engaging questions designed to keep people watching. The crazy part is you can create these types of videos using a single AI tool. You don't need to jump between multiple platforms or spend hours editing. You can literally produce one of these shorts in 5 minutes. That's how simple the format is, and yet it's generating millions of views consistently. Making this type of video is literally very easy. The one you're watching on your screen right now was created by me in just 3 to 4 minutes using a single AI tool. No complex editing, no advanced skills, no expensive software. And if you're thinking this looks complicated, it's not. I'm going to break it down step by step so you can do the exact same thing. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create these quiz-style shorts and start your own YouTube channel without needing to watch any other tutorial. I'll show you the full process from idea to final video, so make sure you watch until the end. Now, let's get started. First of all, to create this type of video, you only need a single prompt. I'll provide that exact prompt in the description so you can easily copy it. All you have to do is copy the prompt, paste it into ChatGPT, and click Generate. Within seconds, ChatGPT will give you 5 to 10 quiz questions that are ready to use in your short. You can directly create a video using those questions, or you can generate more variations by slightly adjusting the prompt. Once your questions are ready, the next step is turning them into a short using an AI tool. The tool I use is called Clipwise AI, and you'll find the link in the description below. This tool allows you to quickly convert your quiz questions into a complete ready-to-upload video without needing multiple apps or complicated editing. The first thing you need to do is click on the Create Your First Video button, then sign up and log in. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main interface. If you scroll down, you'll see multiple templates available. From here, you need to choose Quiz-Style Template. After selecting a template, scroll back to the top and you'll see a prompt box. This is where you paste the quiz questions that ChatGPT generated for you. Simply copy those questions and paste them into the prompt box, then generate your video. The second option inside Clipwise AI is even simpler. As soon as you select a quiz template, you'll see multiple ready-made suggestions displayed below. You can choose any of these suggestions and instantly create a video around that topic. So even if you don't want to use ChatGPT, you can still generate a quiz video very easily using the built-in ideas provided by the tool. After selecting one of the suggestions, you'll see several settings options below. Here, you need to select the language as English and set the duration of the video according to your preference. You can adjust or ignore the other settings based on your needs. Once everything looks good, simply click the Generate button. After that, the main editing interface will appear in front of you, and this is where we'll finalize and edit our video. On this interface, you need to wait for a few seconds while the system processes your video. After it loads, an image preview will appear on your screen. In the top corner of that image, you'll see a small icon. Click on that icon to open the theme settings. Here, you'll find multiple virtual themes such as cinematic, cartoon, children's book, 3D pixel, and many more. You can choose any theme depending on the style you want for your quiz video. Once you select a theme, look below the prompt box and you'll see the Select Voiceover option. Click on that button. Initially, 5 voice options will appear. If you don't like any of them, click on the View All button. A side panel will open on the right side with many AI voice options, both male and female. You can preview the voices, choose the one that fits your video best, and select it. After selecting your voiceover, click on Continue with Selected Voiceover. This will take you back to the main interface. From there, click on the Generate Scene button. After a few moments, the main scene editing interface will appear. On the right side of the screen, you'll see the Edit Media option. This is where all your media files, images, voiceovers, and other elements are displayed. On the main screen, you'll also see the Timeline option. Click on it to open the full timeline of your video. Here you'll be able to see each scene, including the images and the voiceover synced together. You can preview the entire video anytime by clicking the play button. If you don't like a particular image, you can easily replace it. You can adjust the timing, change the visuals, and customize the layout however you want. You'll also notice captions appearing on the screen. If you want to edit them, simply click on the caption text and a settings panel will open on the right side. From there, you can change the caption style, font, size, and template. There are many built-in caption styles available if you want to enhance your video. But if you don't want captions at all, you can simply turn off the caption option and they will be removed from your video. Below the caption section, you'll find the music option. Here, you can generate AI music directly inside the platform or upload your own music and apply it to your video in just one click. After that, you can move to the transitions section, where you'll find multiple transition effects that you can easily apply between scenes to make your video smoother and more engaging. Once everything looks good, your video is ready. Simply click on the export button and your video will be saved to your device. I'll leave the link to Clipwise in the description below, so make sure to check it out. There are many more templates available on the platform that allow you to create all kinds of videos quickly and easily.